Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing the most cutest stinking thing ever, aka Baby Groot. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the eyes first. You want to draw a good circle. I tried right here. It doesn't have to be perfect. And another one right here. So take your time drawing. You can pause the video at any time. Great. So now we're going to draw the little light. And right here, and then another circle right here, and the next eye right there, and another one right here. Good. Now let's take your pencil and fill it up. Now let's draw the face, so bring a line kind of on the side, and another one right here. You don't want it too close to the eyes, you don't want it too far away either. So now let's draw its face. Make like a U shape right here. Cool guys, cool. Now you want to flick it up like this. Next you want to bring it down, and then you're going to take it back up and draw a slanted line. Next you want a little dip, and then bring it back up, and just follow me drawing this line. Going back down, and then up, like that. Back down and up, like that, go down, back up, and then we can connect it, kind of from here. So draw a line, now connecting the two lines. Great, so now the hard part is over. Woo! So now we're going to bring a little line down from here, and then another one right there. Honestly, you could just put it wherever you want because it's kind of giving like an effect of dead wood, or I guess baby wood. I don't know, but yeah, you want to just draw random straight lines. Just kind of make it look like it's broken wood, I guess. That's like the best way I could describe it. Anyway, I'm going to add like a little dot here, and I'm going to make a little branch coming out. You don't have to add this part, I just kind of like how the little lines make the Groot look extra cute. And then let me just draw a leaf. Perfect! So now we're going to draw its smile, so make a little curved line like that. Great, it looks really cute already. So let's get the body going. You want to draw a curved line going down, and you want to do the same thing for the other side. So just like that. Perfect! Next we're going to draw the little thingy here, and then make a line down and another one. So these will be its legs. Bring your pencil around and then connect this one as well. There. So far so good. Let's make the arms now. You want to bring another curved line down and then the same on the other side. Now let's connect it and then this side as well. Great, so now our lines are all connected and good. From here, let's draw a little branch. So make a line, a lot of little lines like that. And then you want to draw a leaf, because, I don't know, he's a tree, I guess. Right here. Looks cute. Let's draw another leaf right here, and then make some curved lines to kind of also give the wood effect. So I'm putting on the shoulders, on the fingers, and on its feet as well. So yeah, just like that. We're gonna just draw lines. Doesn't have to be perfect, you do whatever you like. I think I'm also gonna add a few up here just to make it look good. Great, I think it looks awesome. Even better. So there you have it guys, we are done. It's pretty easy, right? Took not too long, so I'm gonna color it. You can follow me if you like. Now this is it. I hope you liked this video. If you do, don't forget to check out more, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye!